So, today is the day. We're getting a new roof, baby. Here she comes, yo. In all her glory. Ready to go out for a wee spin, eh? Here we go. It's a cold day, yeah? Cold day. It's 5 degrees. Today we're going to D&G Porsche garage in Newcastle. They're the guys who are used for the suspension work. So I'm going to reply to my mum. Oh. So, let's have a little look around at where we're at. So here she is, purring beautifully. It's 2002 996 Targa. Well, don't really know what else to say, so we've got the main job of today, which is to get the car to the garage to get this roof mechanism working again. So what they're going to do at the garage, hopefully, is get the seal replaced on here and also replace the cabling system. And if you're curious as to what the stripped back of a 996 looks like, well, your curiosity shall be satisfied today, because that's where we're at. So, in the back, this is where everything is, right? You've got your hatch in the back, which is a bit different, and you've also got your motor mechanism, so you can probably get a wee peek at that just there. So essentially there's a motor system back there, which controls the, probably easy to just pop out. But yeah, essentially you've got some motors back here that control the roof. Yeah, so the short of it, let's go from this end. So you've got 2 motors back here which control the cabling system that goes around the roof. So on the back here, let's get going forward a bit and we can stand in. If you want to see the back of a 996, you've got all your electronics and your cabling system going on the back. In here, what we have is, if I can get myself in, oh. So you've got 2 roof motors back here. You've got 1, 2. These motors drive a cabling system that pulls down the big glass Targa pane. So the motors back here pull a cabling system that runs a drive system that allows the roof to slide back down and up. So the motors, as far as I'm aware, are working fine. Those are the ones that were replaced about 2 years ago. Actually, one was replaced, the other was working. The suspected issue now, and the reason it's not working, is because the cabling system that drives that wheel drive system for the roof is chewed up. So we need to get that replaced, and then that should hopefully allow everything to be working. Nothing like that naturally aspirated smoothness of the acceleration, so you just can't beat it. You just cannot beat it. Let me get the windows closed. It's probably quite noisy here, and we'll get a bit of heating on. So, I mean, it's a noisy ride at the moment because the back's stripped out. We've got no rear wheel arch liners installed, so I've got those out. And it's a bit of a situation with all that stuff, isn't it? But the drive, it just feels like a go-kart on wheels, man. The suspension, it's tight. You've got that handling feel. You've got that engine roaring at the rear end there. The handling is phenomenal. It just feels like a go-kart. It's absolutely like a go-kart. And then also the visibility, I don't know if I can get that angle properly, but the visibility with this Targa roof is beautiful. You just get this nice airy cabin, so even with the roof closed, everything is great. What we're also about to do is embark on a 45-minute drive to Newcastle, hit up the garage, drop the car, maybe potter about the town there, have some lunch, and then come back home. £2.40 to go through here, mate. £2.40, please. Like anytime you're in a tunnel, if there's an opportunity to get an exhaust note, you would. Alright, the car's just been dropped off. Gonna get an Uber into town, get some lunch, maybe have a stroll around, and then head back home for the day. Yeah, pretty nice day. It's dry, it's light. The winter's ending. Couldn't complain, could I? What a good, nice relaxing day with a change of scene, change of pace. Enjoyable. Nice drive down as well. The poke on that thing is amazing. I think just because the weight of the car is so low, it just handles so tightly. It just a joy to drive. What a pleasure! What a pleasure.
Yes, I've seen it. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Just like that, finish off the day. Cup of tea, bit of oat milk, maybe get a banana and an after 8. Beautiful day, man. A beautiful day. Still only like 3:30 or something. See you later.